Welcome to Styling Threads. Today I'm making these thread tassels which are very easy to make. Anyone can make it. You can use different sort of threads to make it. These are wool threads, these are anchor embroidery threads, and these are silk threads. If you have to attach on fancy or silk fabric, you can use these silk threads, and for other cotton or thick fabric use this threads. Well, it's totally up to you, and I'm using these wool threads, and so let's start making it. For wrapping the thread, you can use any straight thing, and I'm using this. As I have to make tassel of 1 inch, I already have made some tassels and its length is 1 inch, but I will take this a little bit more than 1 inch. So I have cut this and its length is 2 points more than 1 inch, and I will wrap the thread over here because I have taken a little longer than this, because some thread we have to trim from the down to avoid uneven edges. So I have taken this, and I will wrap the thread on it, and this is a little bit flexible, and I can easily, after wrapping the thread, I can easily take the thread out of this. So I will use this. Start wrapping at the side of this so that after wrapping you can easily take it out. Now the thickness depends upon the stuff of thread, because for silk you have to wrap it more than this wool thread. So now I think it's enough. Now I'll put it here, and now I will insert this spool thread into my needle. This is the matching thread, and I will insert this thread in this way because I don't have to tie a knot at the back. Okay, and I will use 2 strands of thread. In this way I will insert this thread into my needle, in this way. Okay, now first I will cut it, and then in this way. Repeat this. Okay, now you have to take it out. In this way. Now once again you can do this. In this way. Now from this side I will cut it. In this way. You will not cut this because you will use this thread for attaching here. Now you have to wrap thread over here. You can use the same thread, or you can use a contrasting thread. I am using this thread, so I will start wrapping here. As this is very thin thread, so I am using its 3 to 4 strands. I'm using 4 strands of this thread. Now I will use this thread to wrap here. First I will tie a knot over here. in this way. Tie another knot. Now start wrapping. I think it's enough. Now I will tie two more knots over here. I have tied two knots over here. Now I will cut this extra thread. In this way. Now I will set it. Now it's ready to attach here. I already have marked, and here I would attach. I'm using these beads. You can attach without beads. Tie a knot over here. This way I have attached it here. So that's it. I hope that you would have liked this simple video. Please thumbs up for me and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.